If I could go back to the day we met, I would probably do it all over again.
Hey Foureverdolls, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today, I don't know why every time I'm talking to y'all, I always got to do something with my hands. Like, lose the hands, Red, lose them. Okay, so today, you guys, I decided to do a 3 days of Valentine's Day slay. So here is day 1, you guys. Let's wait, peep. You know, a 3-day Valentine's Day slay. So, you guys, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. But first, do me 3 major favors, you guys. Like, subscribe, and share the video. Turn on your post notifications so that you never miss a video again, because you never want to miss a video. Of course, like, why, you know? Anyways, without further more, you guys, we're going to go ahead and get on into the video. Thank you for that, mic. Hey Foureverdolls, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows. I do them off camera. Just stay posted for my channel to see an eyebrow tutorial. But I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place palette as well as the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going in from the Juvia's palette with that yellow just to give myself a good transition color and just to make it bright and vibrant, and you just want to see the transition color today, girls. Okay, we got a little zoom action. Secondly, you guys, I'm going to be going back into that Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this pink color right here, and I'm going to be using that to blend in with my transition color. Okay, so I'm just going back into the Juvia's Place palette to grab some of that yellow, and I'm just warming up my colors again. Like I tell you dolls all the time, it's totally fine if you have to go back in and add some more color to your previous applied color. It happens, it's totally fine. Okay, so now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'm going to be using this to cut my crease. And I'm taking a very flat-ended brush, and I'm just flattening it some more so that it just helps our cut crease come out more smooth. So today, guys, I'm going to be doing the lookup method for you guys. I've been asked a couple of times to do the method, so here it is. Basically, you just put the concealer on the lower part of your lid and you look up, and it just puts the concealer in the place that you would normally cut your crease. So all you have to do is go back and follow that line, you guys. So now I'm going back into the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take this rose gold shimmery kind of color, and I'm going to use that to just blend out that concealer that I put down on my cut crease. And let me tell y'all, do not jump on me. I know it looks like crap. I need to go back in and fix it, which you guys will see that I ended up doing just that. I see what you guys see. Okay, dolls, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Morphe brush, and I'm going to be using that just to blend out the hard edges of the cut crease and just make it a little bit more seamless and look like that it blended from a cut crease to, you know, what we're about to apply next. So I'm just taking a little product and just using that to blend. Well, I'm just patting it, you guys. I'm patting the product in first, and then I go back in soft circular motions to blend out the rest of the product, so that I'm making sure that I'm not dragging the product that was already previously applied. So now I'm going in with that same color concealer, Creamy Beige, and I'm going to be using that to give myself a concealer liner so that I can then go back and apply that pink that we used from the Juvia's Place palette onto that concealer. Okay, dolls, so like I said, I'm going back into that Juvia's Place palette, and the color that we used to blend in with our transition color, I'm taking that and I'm going to be packing that onto that liner that I just got through using to make with the concealer. I'm now going to go in with my NYX glitters, and I'm going to apply this to my lid just to make the eyeshadow pop just a little bit more. I'm taking the NYX glitter primer and I'm using that as a base so that the glitter doesn't go anywhere or fall into my eyes. I'm then going to begin to place the glitter in the areas that I want it to go, which is just at the beginning, closest to where my eye opens, which is known as the tear duct. And I'm going to take it back a little bit more between the colors that we just blended. So now I'm going in with my NARS foundation. No, apparently not. I'm going in with my Tarte Rainforest Sea Drops, and I'm going to be using this to prime my face, you guys. When I tell you this stuff is amazing, it is amazing. So I'm taking my beauty blender to just blend that out, make sure that all of my face is covered and just primed and ready for this magnificent foundation that we're about to apply. So I'm taking my brush that I used to cut my crease, and I'm going to be cleaning up my eyeshadow as well as applying my foundation to my face. I find that using this brush to apply my foundation first before blending it out just helps me use less product and save money. You guys, I don't know, this happens to be my favorite look. I was really in love with this look. So I'm spraying my beauty blender with the NYX matte setting spray, and I'm using that to help blend out my foundation. You never want to use a dry product on your face when you're applying product. It takes the product up rather than laying it down. Perfect. So now I'm going to go in with that same concealer that I used to cut my crease, and I'm going to be using that to highlight my face. You know, like I said, use all that product, sis. Do not waste money, because we don't got money. So I'm taking that same setting spray, the NYX matte setting spray, and I'm going to be using that to blend out my concealer. I'm starting with the edges first, you guys. This is just a little method of mine that I just feel like works for me, is if I blend out the edges first, it just makes it so much easier to go back in and blend out the inside when your edges are already blended. So you guys should try that out and comment in the comments down below and let me know how that worked out for you. Always keep your face wet, you guys. Always, always, always. Spray throughout your foundation, spray throughout your concealer. You will thank me later. Your face will thank you later. Okay, so now I'm going in with the LA Colors contour palette. You guys can get this at the beauty supply store. I have not seen it at the drugstore because I am just now realizing that LA Girls and LA Colors are two different brands. Oh my goodness, y'all. I was like, why can I not hashtag these people? Oh my gosh. Anyways, you guys, so I'm going into the LA Colors contour palette, and I'm using this to give my face some definition, bring back some shape, and, you know, just hide this big old 5 head that's just peeking through the Himalayas. Like, what are you doing, sis? Like, head, what are you doing? So now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild setting spray, and you guys, this setting spray is thebomb.com. And you know, we already going in Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit to finish off the look. If it ain't Anastasia, then it ain't nobody. I was so corny. Oh my god, I'm so corny. Gosh. Okay, so if you guys notice, I like to take my highlight a little bit higher around my head. It just, I don't know, I'm extra. I like the extra highlight. But guys, just remember to blend it out. If you do decide to do this, you must blend that highlight out, you guys, okay? Oh, brow bone popping with highlight, girl. Wait a minute, where you going? Wait a minute. Wait a minute, where you going, sis? It's so crazy, you guys. In like a year or two, I'm gonna look at these videos and be like, oh my god, girl, you thought you were doing because you know, makeup just changes. But anyways, off topic, I'm gonna go and blend out the concealer on my cheeks, which I happen to not show you guys. We're gonna jump right into the lips. I'm going in with my Kat Von D Beloved, also my Huda lip liner Trophy Wipe, and I'm gonna be using that to get my lips ready and match my look. Okay. It must have tasted nasty because that face was not cute, boo. Okay, and one thing about this lipstick, you guys, I love this lipstick, but it is a very wet consistency of a lipstick. So if you are using this lipstick, apply it in small, generous amounts, okay? This concludes the video, dolls. I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning into my video. Don't be afraid to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys in my next B-Day Slay. Bye!